Across the street. Foot pursuit. She's running up try. Maybe we'll Clifton.
What is going on? I didn't do anything.
Yeah, cops.
Keep your hands. Stop resisting.
What did I do?
Turn over. First of all, do not grab on me.
No,
you
I don't
understand me?
What'd I do? What'd I do? I didn't do anything.
Then why are you running?
Because I didn't know what was going on. I didn't do anything.
Stop resisting.
I didn't do anything.
Okay.
What is the problem?
Spread your feet.
Who is this person? Hold on, what do you mean?
Stop. I'm searching you.
For what?
Still.
For what?
Right now, you're under arrest for a minimum of obstruction.
Please. Please.
Turn away from me.
I have PTSD.
Okay, well, let's make it easy.
Can you just let go? Just let go, please.
No.
No.
Get in the car. Get off. Get on my. Do not grab my taser.
No, I'm
You
not.
hear
I'm
me?
not.
You were.
No, I'm not. Please help me. Help me. Help me.
Do not kick me.
I'm not. Help me. Can I stand outside?
Unbuckle it.
Just let me
Unbuckle it.
stand outside. Please. Can I stand outside?
No, you're under arrest.
No. No.
Get back.
Wait, please help me.
You're gonna
Get
get
in
more
there now.
charges. Get in the car.
You're under arrest.
For what?
Stopping and resisting arrest
For why?
These two fighting? No, she was
He kept
trying to cross Clifton.
She ran away from me for no reason. Her shoes are over there.
Please let me open the door so I can make her. Please. Please.
First of all, you ran from police. Okay, so why run?
I didn't know what was happening.
Okay.
I thought someone was going to be pursuing me. No, I'm not. I'm just right here. I'm not doing anything wrong. Please. I just am in pain. Please, I'm in pain. Can I just sit down on the ground? Can I sit right here, please? No.
Stop. Stop for 1 second. John. Hold on. She's trying to hook
I'm not. I would never hurt anybody.
Hold on. She was already out of the handcuffs. So what we're going to do
Please talk.
is we're going to find out what she's trying to hide.
I'm not trying to hide anything.
She
Okay,
is.
I'm a mental health
There's
patient.
a both heroin
I have
addicts
PT.
with fake seizures.
No, I'm not. I'm not. Please listen to me. I was afraid. I have
She doesn't look
PTSD.
wrong, so it's on there.
I don't have anything. Please, can I just stand here?
No, you better not.
Can you open the door? Can I leave the door open, please? Please, can I do this, please?
Will you tell me what your name is?
Yes.
Get in the seat.
Come on.
Just please.
We've had her before and make fake seizures.
No, I